postulates of Dalton atomic theory. Up to this part of our chapter atoms and molecule is already completed and asked in the exam. Therefore now I am starting the new content of the same chapter, atoms and molecules. So first content is, what is an atom? Getting? Student, Dalton explained and defined an atom that which cannot be cut into smaller part or particle. That is the ultimate particle of matter is known as atom. Getting? Students, some of you also know also have some advanced knowledge about an atom, that you know that atom consists electron, proton and neutron. But we are not going to discuss the particles present in an atom. We are going to discuss very previous knowledge about the atom, and then later on we will discuss about its advanced form. So atom, okay, student, you can see this wall or a building. Okay, this is made up of stacking millions of bricks. So we can say the brick is the fundamental unit of a wall or a building. In the similar manner, atom, okay, is also fundamental unit of all matter. Student, you further know that a brick is made up of clay, sand, etc. Therefore, the clay and sand should be fundamental unit. But again I am telling you, we are starting from various previous knowledge. That is, we are ignoring here what? Clay and sand, etc. So we are considering brick is a fundamental unit of building or wall. Similarly, although some of you know about the particle present in atom, but we are ignoring this advanced knowledge and we are starting from previous knowledge. Repeatedly I am saying all these things because some of the student can say, sir, there may be proton, electron, neutron, there may be what? Fundamental particles. Okay. So atom is also fundamental unit of all matter, like what? Like bricks are the fundamental unit of wall or building, wall or any building. Okay. Now, size of atom. Size of atom. Student, atoms are so small in size that even we cannot imagine about its size. It is very, very small. It is very, very small. Okay. Even we cannot compare it with sand particle, which is very small. Okay. From the point of view of you all. Okay. It is even too much small as compared to a sand particle or even an ant. Isn't it? So it is very, very small in size. Therefore, it is measured in nanometer. Nanometer. Okay, nanometer is one of the unit, okay, to measure the length, isn't it? Nanometer. Here 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to power minus 9 meter. Okay, this is called what? 1 nanometer. So being it is very small in size, therefore it is measured in very, very small unit or presentation. What? 10 to power minus 9 meter. Getting? Length is a physical quantity. Okay. Now let's compare it. I told that we cannot compare, but let's try to compare it about a matter. Getting? Say one atom of hydrogen. One atom of hydrogen. Getting? Now it is 10 to power minus 10 meter. Okay. One molecule of water, it is 10 to power minus 9 meter. Getting? That is, even it is more small as compared to water molecule. Okay. One molecule of hemoglobin. Okay. Student, you know about hemoglobin? It is present in red blood cell. It is one of the protein present in red blood cell. It is 10 to power minus 8 meter. 10 to power minus 8 meter. Okay. So one sand particle, it is 10 to power minus 4 meter. Now you try to compare one atom. One sand particle is 10 to power minus 4 meter, while one atom of hydrogen is 10 to power minus 10 meter. That is, it is too much small in size. Okay, the atom of hydrogen is smallest in size. Getting? Now next one, about the symbol of atom. Symbol of atom. Student, in very early time, Dalton proposed some symbol of an element, like he proposed symbol for hydrogen is like that. This is symbol of hydrogen. He proposed symbol for carbon like that. That is shaded part. This is what? One atom of carbon. Okay. Again, the symbol for oxygen. This is what? For oxygen. Getting? So this is what? Symbol, and this is what? Element. Again, some more symbol is given by the Dalton, like that. This is for phosphorus element. Phosphorus element. One more symbol is there, like that, plus sign. Okay, inside the sphere it is given for sulfur. Okay, and in the sphere this type of sign, okay, is given for iron. Okay, one more sign is given, like in the sphere it is written C.